everybody, it's Auroch and
Patient one.
so what we're going to do today is make a sound and you do the noise. So here we go, we're going to start right now. Alright. La 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 la. I think that was accurate. That's totally what you were thinking when you did that. I think the first time I sucked up my lip a little bit there.
Yeah.
Second time, not so much.
I actually think I did it for you the second time.
Perfect!
When you watch it back, I did it.
Perfect!
Okay.
Oh!
Okay.
Okay.
Left, right, left.
Control my jaw. Okay.
Okay. Cheese, cheese.
Okay. Howdy there, little Dolly. Okay. Ready?
Yeah. I don't like tofu.
Perfect.
Wait, it's my turn.
What? I don't like a poo. Yeah. Okay. Ready?
No, hold on. Oh, okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
I don't even know what I did now.
I love Cheetos! Wasn't ready. Okay.
Okay, got it. Seahorse, 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 seahorse. Okay, ready?
Me, 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 me.
You ready?
Yeah. Why do me?
You know what's funny is like I actually say stuff in my head.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I was like one do pee for some reason. One do pee. I don't know. Okay. Okay. Wait, Heidi, ho! You didn't even start it. I did that at the second one.
Beginning.
No,
Yeah,
I
I
did
did
the
it.
end last time.
No, hi ho.
Bad. Maybe. You ready?
Did you steal my costume?
Did you steal my costume?
I don't know. It's hard to do like the voiceover.
For the record, it's not even close to Halloween or any costume.
It's hard to make sound effects.
Okay. Gravy. Okay. Zip. Okay. I keep rolling.
Yeah. I was trying to do a buzz.
I was trying not to do the buzz though, you know?
Oh, yeah.
I doesn't want to just do buzz. So Ready?
Yo.
Perfect. Okay.
Help!
Okay. 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 Groovy. Okay.
Bay.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
Rah, rah, bobbity, boppy, bop, babe. Wow, wow.
Okay, I'll do my best.
You're out of here.
Cheese, 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 cheese.